Fear is gripping the market at 22 out of 100, but right out of the gate, we're seeing a mixed opening signal that tells us something important is shifting beneath the surface. The VIX jumped to 1716 yesterday from 1503, signaling elevated nervousness heading into today's session. That fear is palpable, yet the market is choosing to push higher anyway. This is classic capitulation followed by relief buying, and we're watching it play out in real time. The S&P 500 opened with a modest gain of 23 points, up just 0.31%. The Dow Jones barely budged with a gain of 42 basis points for 0.08%. But here's where it gets interesting. The Nasdaq is firing, up 170 points or 0.66%, and the Russell 2000 is the early leader, jumping 0.78% with 23 points gained. Small caps are outperforming mega caps, which tells us money is rotating into names that got beaten down during the fear spike. Goldman Sachs is the single biggest mover in these first 30 minutes, absolutely crushing it with a 6.5% opening gap up. That's 68 points of upside, and it's pulling the entire financial sector higher. AMD is the second massive winner, up 4.04% or 22 points as investors rotate into semiconductor strength. Intel is tagging along with a 3.23% gain. This is a classic AI rotation story where chip makers are getting fresh bids. But here's the pain point. Microsoft is down 1.53%, losing almost $6 in early trading. Salesforce is bleeding 2.62% with a $4.50 decline. PayPal is in the red, 1.2%. These are not insignificant names, and the weakness is telling us that profit-taking is real after recent mega-cap rallies. Apple is down just under 1%, but despite that price action, analysts remain extremely bullish with 36 buy ratings versus only 2 sell ratings. The analyst consensus is screaming loud today. Microsoft has 63 buy ratings with 0 sells. Nvidia shows 64 buys to just 1 sell. Amazon sports 70 buy ratings with 0 sells. Wall Street is convinced these names should be higher, yet the market is testing them at the open. That's classic divergence between analyst conviction and actual buyer interest. Watch for any break.